Hello everybody. Today we are learning the sound oi. 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 Now have a look at the picture. The parents are spoiling the boy. They say oi, spoil the boy. Oi, spoil the boy. Oi, spoil the boy. Well done. Okay, let's put our silly voices on. Oi, oi, oi. Oi, oi, oi. Well done. Let's do oi, oi, oi. Oi, oi, oi. Good job. Okay. Now, let's have a look at the picture. Okay, when I show you this side, you're going to say oi, and when I show you this side, you're going to say spoil the boy. Okay, you don't know where it's going to be. Oi, well done. Spoil the boy, good job. Spoil the boy, well done. Let's do one more. Oi, good job. Okay, let's think of some words that have the oi sound in. Oi, oi, oil. Oi, oi, spoil. Oi, oi, toilet. Oi, oi, voice. Oi, oi, join. Those have the oi sound in. Now you might be thinking, Miss Hobbs, we've already learned oi. We have. Oi, toy for a boy. Oi, spoil the boy. Can you see that these both say oi, but they're a bit different because this digraph has an o and a y that make the oi sound, but this one have an o and an I. So those sounds o and I make the oi sound. Those letters make the oi sound. So they sound the same, but they look different. Okay, so we are looking at oi, spoil the boy. Right, I'm going to put oi, spoil the boy in my pack, and when you find it, you're going to say oi, spoil the boy. So I'm hiding it. E, what can you see? Look at a book. Ow, shout it out. Ooh, poo at the zoo. Oi, spoil the boy. Good job, did you find it? Okay, I'm hiding it again. A, may I play? R, start the car. Or, shut the door. Well and twirl. Oi, spoil the boy. Good job. Okay, I'm hiding it again. That's not fair. I fly high. Oi, spoil the boy. Good job. Okay, I'm going to hide it again. O, blow the snow. Oh, this is one of our new sounds. E, cup of tea. There it is again. Oi, spoil the boy. Great job. Okay. Now get your pencils ready. I've got my whiteboard pen. And we are going to write the oi, spoil the boy sound. So, the oi sound has two letters. It's a digraph, two letters that make one sound. So, it has a o and an I. So when I write oi, I need my two letters o and I. So I'm going to start with my o. I need to sweep up all around the orange and flick. There is my o. Sweep up, down the insect's body and dot for the head. There is my oi sound. Let's do it again. Sweep up, around the orange and flick. Sweep up, down the insect's body and dot for the head. That is my oi sound, okay? Let's try it on some lines. So remember, when you do your letters, you must start on the line. Sweep up, around the orange and sweep. Sweep up, down the insect's body, dot for the head. That is my oi sound. Okay. Now I need to get someone out of bed. Who needs to get out of bed? It is Fred. Say hi, everybody. Hello. So Fred's a special frog because he only speaks in single sounds. So we need to find out what he says. So get your Fred fingers ready. Give them a wiggle. Turn this way. Okay. Right. J, oi, n. J, oi, n. J, oin. J, oin. Join. Good job. Okay, next one. F, oi, l. F, oi, l. F, oi, l. Foil. And here I've got my tin foil, my kitchen foil. There it is. Next one. Oi, 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 oil. Well done. Here it is. Here's my oil. Can you see it says oil, oil? Okay, next one. Okay. K, oi, n. Oi, n, k, oin, k, oin, coin. Well done. And last one. V, oi, s. V, oi, s. V, oi, s. V, oi, s. Voice. Well done. Okay. Keep those Fred fingers up because we need to do our green ones now. Fred was a little bit naughty. And Fred has hidden my green words, so I've had to write them on white paper, but they're not alien words. So alien words are normally on white paper, but I didn't have any green paper at home. So I've had to write our green words on white paper, but you can still sound them out. So I want those Fred fingers. Ready? Okay, when I touch the sound button, that finger needs to come up. First one. V, oi, s. V, oi, s. V, oi, s. V, oi, s. Voice. Well done. Next one. Ch, oi, s. Ch, oi, s. Ch, oi, s. Ch, oi, s. Choice. Well done. Oi, n, k, oi, n, k, oi, n, k, oin, coin. Well done. Next one. N, oi, s, n, ois, n, ois, n, ois, noise, noise. And the last one. J, oi, n, j, oi, n, j, oin, j, oin, join. Good job. Okay. Right, now time for some alien words. Now these alien words are nonsense and you cannot put alien words in a sentence because they don't make sense. So have a look at these ones. Now, these are alien words and they are on white paper. Oi, p, oip, 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 loip. Is that a real word or an alien word? Loip is a alien word. Good job. Oops. T, oi, n, t, Oin. Oin. Troin. Real word or alien word? It's an alien word. Well done. Next one. Oit. 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 Bloit. Bloit. Real or alien? It's an alien word. Doesn't make sense. You can't put them in a sentence. Okay. Right, get your pens. Because we are going to write a word with the oi sound in it. And we are going to write coin. Sound it out first. Coin. K. Oi. N. K. Oi. N. So what's the first sound we need? What's the first sound? We need a k. Well done. Do you think we need a caterpillar k? Or a kangaroo k? We need a caterpillar k. So we sweep up and we curl around the caterpillar. Can you see that my letters are on the line and I have swept up because I am posh like Fred. Okay, so we've got k, coin, k, oi, n. So what's next? K, oi, n. It's a oi sound. Oi, spoil the boy. So 2 letters that make one sound in oi. 2 letters, it's the o and the I make the oi sound. So we're going to start with an o. Sweep up all around the orange and flick. Okay, might make my flick a little bit bigger. K, oi, so I need an I for oi. Down the insect's body, dot for the head. K, oi, n. What's our last sound? It's the n sound for Nobby's net. So I've got to sweep up, go down Nobby, and over his net. Right, sound buttons. K, oi, n. Coin. I would like you to have a go at writing coin just like me. Okay. Right. Last bit, we're going to do some red words now. You can't Fred a red, you just have to know them, okay? So we can't use our Fred fingers for this, which is why Fred has gone to bed. You just have to know them. Do. Of. I. By. Okay, well done everybody. We have learnt the oi sound. Give yourself a firework clap. And I will see you soon.